So this is things I will be needing. I will be needing a needle for bead. Like I said in my previous video, go to where they sell bead and ask for needle for bead. I'll be using this fishing line and my cutter. Using my cutter. The bead I'll be needing this crystal bead and sand bead to make this style. So I've passed. I will first of all pass this sand bead. I'll pass it into this fishing line, which I have done it. I passed bead and I put hook. This is the hook. How to put the hook? You put the hook like this and tie it from this side. The same thing. So I will first of all put pass bead into this fishing line, and this is how it's going to look. This is how it's going to look. It's going to be like this. And after that, you start to knit it from this back side. You knit this round. So depends how full you want it to be. If you want it 3-3 or 2-2 or 1-1, depends. Like this one is very full, so it depends on you. This is the crystal bead there, so I'm starting it now. So since I've passed the sand bead through this fishing line, and let me put it through a bit. Just take some bead, as in I pass it through like this to the length of your neck. Just after you might have passed the bead round, use it to measure your neck to know whether it's the size of your neck before you start doing your work. So give small space to start. So I start it from this side. First of all, pass out the thread like this and tie it down. Make sure that it's very tight. I've tied my thread into this. I'll pick 6 first here. I'll pick 6 here and take one crystal bead and pick 6 again, like this. I pick 6 from here, and at the middle I put a crystal bead and put another 6 sand bead. So look at what I did here. I picked 6 sand bead here. Look at this. This is 6 sand bead with a crystal bead at the middle and 6 sand bead again. So in this style, depends how drop you want it to be. It's not compulsory you must take this 6. You can take 4 if you want it to be short. But in this one, I'm taking it 6 crystal bead and 6. Like I said in my previous video, that if you're doing this style, anything that contains sand bead, you need needle to make the work easy. So after picking it like this, I'm going to be passing it out through like this. Look at this from the back here. Pass your bead like a needle. Look at it and bring it out. See it now? I've done one side. Like I said, you can make it, if you want it to full, you can make it over and over. I'm going to be taking another one again, another sand bead 6, crystal bead 1, and sand bead again. So I've taken another 6 again, 6 sand bead, 1 crystal bead, and 6 sand bead again. See what I'm going to be doing right now. So I pass my fishing line from the back of from here, and I bring it out here, and I'm going to be passing my needle under this place like this. Look at what I'm doing. Look at it. So I'm going to be taking this fishing line like this and pass my needle back to not this one here, but to the second one. What I'm doing right now is you're going to be taking this bead one by one. You can be picking it three. If you don't want any space to be there, like this particular one, there's nothing like space there. You can't even see the straight bead I make like this. You can't even see it. So I make sure that the bead is very full. So for your own to be full, you have to be picking it one by one. So I have picked one here. The next one will be this one, and this is it. I'm going to be passing it on like this. Look at this. I'll bring it like this. Don't pass it through this side. Pass it from the back like this. So I'll draw the thread. So this is how it is. After that, you draw your fishing line. So tie the fishing line. Tie the fishing line. The name of this bead is called tree. So I've tied it. Look at how it is. So I picked another 6 again. Another 6. Pass it through this one. You know, the first one I did, I passed this thing through this first one. So this third one, I'm going to be passing it through this one. Now the first one I passed it through this side, and this second one I'm going to be passing this third bead here into this side here. Look at what I'm doing now. It's very easy. Look at it. So I'm going to be, like I said, you pass your bead on the back like this and bring out your needle out like this. I'll form another one again. See it? So I'm going to be tying it now. Now how is to tie it? Just pass your bead again from the back like this and tie it. Now I've tied it now. This is how it is. So it depends how full you want it to be. You can make it over and over to make sure that the bead get full. Look at it like this. So I'm going to be taking the next one. With this needle, I'm going to be picking it like this. With the needle, it makes this beading work very, very easy. I picked my 6 again, and so I've taken another 6 again. Look at it again. I like when I'm teaching this, any of my work, I like doing it step by step. So I've taken another 6 again, 1 crystal bead and another 6 again. So I'm still going to be passing it. Remember this first one I did, I pass the second one under it and bring it out. Pass my needle at the back of the bead in the front. The same thing the second and the third. So this one now, this fourth bead now, so what I'm going to be doing again, I'm going to be passing my needle again under this sand bead, under it, and bring my work out. Look at it. Bring it out like this. Bring it out like this. And take my needle again pass my needle at the back like this, bring it out. Like what I said, look at the work, is forming the shape. If you want it to full very well, if you want your work to full very well, after you might have finished this one, so you go back again and start it again from this side. Depends how full you want it, but in this particular one, you just want to be making it in this particular way. This is another style. So see, it's forming already. So I bring it out. I'm going to be tying it now. So I'm going to tie it like this. How to tie it? Look at it. Pass your bead from this side. Put it under it like this. Pass your needle under it like this. Bring it out to tie it. Tie your work. It has tied. So this side is very good. Give it a try. You will love this style. Like I said, it depends how full you want it to be. It can take you a whole day to do this style. If you have patience to do it, follow the way I did it. You can start it again from here if you want it fuller. Like I said, be picking your bead one by one to the last space, to the last side here. And after making this bead, you're gonna love it so much. This is a very wonderful style. After finishing it, you're going to be like this. This one is very full, very full. I take my time to make this particular style. This style called tree. This is tree. So if you follow this procedure the way I'm making this one, that is how it's going to be. Look at it. That is how it's going to be. If you follow the way I did it, it's going to come out like this. As you can see, this one I double it. I do one side like this, I do another side this side. That is why you see that it's full. I make it double length. After this side, I make another side. So give it a try. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe on this channel for me, like this video and share this video. God bless you as you do so. Bye.